Dansa ipata-pata, dansa ipata-pata, sakuka satupera, sakuka satupera, sakuka satupera, sakuka satupera. Of a dancer, we do it down to Johannesburg way. Everybody starts to dance. Soon as Pata Pata begins to play. Pata time. The music keeps going all night long till the morning sun begins to shine.
Abroad, part of South Africa with it, but I had the feeling that's a way we can honor her, because she really spent her life with all the music she did all over the work. She was supporting Nelson Mandela, and she died on the 10th of November this year, and I thought it's a nice way to say
thank you. And my dear friends, I request Patriji to come to the dais. Mashi Patriji, founder of Pyramid Spiritual Societies, is here before we break.
Unless you are a spiritualized person, you cannot give that holistic leadership to others. She was mentioning Mahatma Gandhiji. So he was a spiritual master. Therefore, he could give that holistic leadership. For example, Mahatma Gandhiji, he not only fought on the political front, in which he was a master, then he also worked in the ethical front, moral front, spiritual front, relationships front, how to live correctly. So all the aspects. How to lead a simple life, how to do hard work. Gandhiji was a very hard worker. Are we like that? Or are we just messing around or marrying around? There are two things, messing around and marrying around. You cannot become a leader of others. So, apart from marrying, lot of commitment should be there. Love towards humanity in general should be there. And you cannot have particular love to your children or your family if you want a holistic leadership. So, my family, my children, that should go away from here. Then only you can give a holistic leadership to the world. Otherwise, it will be a partial leadership. And if you are not spiritual, if you don't know the other side of the coin, on this side of the coin, you cannot give holistic leadership. This side of the coin is what you see with the sense organs. The other side of the coin is what you see when you have silenced these sense organs. So unless you see the other side, nobody can see the other side totally, impossible. That is not what is intended. But fair amount, a critically significant amount of the other side must be possessed to be able to offer a wholesome leadership on this side of the coin. If you go and do some management studies in some management institute, Indian Institute of Management, where spirituality is never a part of it, they can never produce holistic managers, holistic leaders. It's not possible. Gandhiji was not a product of any Indian Institute of Management. No. No IIM trained fellow can become a holistic leader. They become very partial leaders. Yeah, they become leaders, but in a very restricted sense of the term. But this is holistic leadership. Yeah, it's a different word. It's a non-controversial word for the spiritual, holistic. Spiritual, many people will become controversial, but holistic, they don't become. So it is another word for spiritual. And whoever comes into spirituality becomes a natural leader of all the people around, natural leader. Becomes a natural leader in all the aspects of life. Cleanliness, administration, management, leadership, community living, technology, education, any field, service. So, water flows from the higher level to a lower level. It's a natural phenomenon. Similarly, any person who comes into meditation, comes into spirituality, will become a natural leader of all the people around, whomsoever he touches, and offers holistic leadership. It comes naturally. Like it came naturally to Mahatma Gandhi. Of course, Mahatma Gandhi did not come into spirituality or meditation in that particular incarnation. He was already a master in previous incarnations. Therefore, it came naturally. Thank you very much for Dr. Newton and Dr. Lakshmi to have brought all these great masters to India. For us, you are like stars in the sky. And It is like bringing those stars onto this earth. Thank you, Dr. Newton, for this. And I wish everybody a happy new year.